My sister and I were very close. We shared a room. We shared stories. We talked every night before sleeping. She was older than me, and I trusted her. She always laughed. She always listened. She was my best friend. But one day, she changed. She stopped talking so much. She stopped laughing. She stopped looking at me. At the dinner table, she ate very little. Sometimes she did not eat at all. When my mother asked her questions, she answered with short words. Her eyes stayed on her plate. She began to lock her phone. She kept it close all the time. If I came near, she moved it away. I also noticed papers in her bag. When I asked her about them, she became nervous. She quickly hid them and said, "It's nothing." But it did not feel like nothing. At home, she stayed in her room. She closed the door. She avoided eye contact with all of us. Even when I tried to joke with her, she did not smile. Something was wrong. I didn't know what my sister was hiding. I didn't know why she was changing. But I knew one thing very clearly. This was not normal. And whatever her secret was, it was slowly pulling her away from all of us. Soon, everyone at home noticed my sister's behavior. My mother became worried and annoyed. "Why don't you talk anymore?" she asked. "Why are you always quiet?" My sister did not answer properly. Sometimes she said nothing at all. My father thought she was being rude. "You are not a child," he said. "Stop acting like this." Small arguments started at home. At dinner, my sister stayed silent. When someone asked her a question, she replied coldly or left the table early. My parents began to lose patience. They whispered about her. They said she was becoming lazy. They said she was changing for no reason. Slowly, I also felt angry. I missed my sister. I missed our talks. I missed her laughter. I tried to speak to her many times, but she pushed me away. "Leave me alone," she said once. Her words hurt me deeply. I started to believe what everyone else believed. Maybe she didn't care anymore. Maybe she was being difficult on purpose. Maybe she didn't trust us. The house felt tense every day. My sister stayed in her room, alone. The door was always closed. And without knowing the truth, we all began to judge her. I did not realize then that my anger was unfair. I did not realize then that silence is often a sign of pain. And my sister was carrying that pain all by herself. One afternoon, I went into my sister's room to look for a charger. She was not at home. The room was quiet. I did not plan to touch her things. I just wanted the charger. As I opened her bag, something fell out. A paper. I picked it up and looked at it. It was from a hospital. My hands started to shake. I saw her name written clearly at the top. There were dates and words I did not fully understand. My heart began to beat very fast. Then I saw a small box inside the bag. Medicine. I had never seen it before. Suddenly, my mind filled with fear. Was she sick? Was it serious? Was she hiding something dangerous? I felt scared and confused. I sat on the bed and held the paper tightly. I did not know what to think. I wanted to cry. I wanted to run to my parents. But something stopped me. When my sister came home later that day, I watched her closely. She looked tired. Her face was pale. She avoided my eyes. I wanted to ask her the truth. I wanted to show her the paper. But when I opened my mouth, no words came out. She looked at me and said quietly, "Please don't ask me anything." Then she walked into her room and closed the door. I stood there alone. Now I was sure. My sister was hiding something serious. And whatever it was, it scared me more than anything before. The next day, my sister left the house early. She did not say where she was going. She just picked up her bag and walked out quietly. Something inside me felt uneasy. Without thinking too much, I put on my shoes and followed her. I stayed far behind so she would not see me. My heart was beating fast. I felt nervous, but I needed to know the truth. She walked slowly. Her shoulders were low. She did not look confident. She looked tired and worried. I had never seen her like this before. After some time, she stopped in front of a building. It was a hospital. I froze. I watched as she stood outside the door for a moment. She took a deep breath, like she was gathering courage. Then she walked inside alone. I stayed across the road and waited. People passed by me, but I did not move. My thoughts were loud. My hands felt cold. I suddenly felt ashamed. All this time, we thought she was being difficult. We thought she was rude. We thought she did not care. But now I saw her clearly. She was not strong. She was not careless. She was scared. She was facing something big all by herself, without telling anyone. Without asking for help. Tears filled my eyes. I understood something important in that moment. My sister was not pushing us away. She was protecting us. And she was suffering alone. That realization changed everything inside my heart. That evening, my sister came home late. She looked tired. Her face was pale, and her eyes looked heavy. I could not stay silent anymore. I went to her room and stood near the door. "I followed you today," I said softly. She froze. For a moment, she did not speak. Then she slowly sat down on the bed. Her hands were shaking. "I didn't want you to know," she said quietly. I sat beside her and waited. She took a deep breath. "I have been sick," she said. "The doctors found a problem. I need treatment. It is not easy, and it is not cheap." My heart dropped. "Why didn't you tell us?" I asked. Tears filled her eyes. "I didn't want to worry anyone," she replied. "Mom and Dad already have so many problems. I thought I could handle it alone." She told me about the hospital visits, the medicines, the fear she felt every night. She told me how scared she was, but how she smiled at home so no one would notice. "I wanted to be strong," she said. "I wanted to protect you all." Her words broke my heart. All this time, we thought she was cold. We thought she was difficult. But she was fighting a quiet battle alone. I held her hand tightly. Tears fell from my eyes. "I'm here now," I said. "You don't have to be alone anymore." She cried softly, and so did I. In that moment, I understood the truth. Her secret was not a lie. It was love, hidden behind pain. That night, I could not sleep. I lay in my bed and thought about everything. I thought about how I judged my sister. I thought about how I believed she was rude and careless. I felt ashamed. I remembered the times I ignored her. I remembered the days I spoke to her coldly. I remembered how I walked away when she needed me. She was not being difficult. She was not trying to hurt us. She was hurting herself alone. The next morning, I stayed close to her. I made breakfast for her. I reminded her to take her medicine. I walked with her instead of letting her walk alone. My parents slowly began to notice the change. That evening, my sister and I sat with them. My hands were shaking, but I spoke. "She is sick," I said softly. "She has been hiding it to protect us." My mother covered her mouth. My father's eyes filled with tears. They both moved closer to my sister and held her hands. "We are your family," my mother said. "You don't have to be strong alone." For the first time in many weeks, my sister cried openly. But this time, she was not alone. As I watched my family come together, I learned a painful lesson. Judging someone is easy. Understanding them takes love. I promised myself something that day. I would never turn away from my sister again. Life slowly began to feel different in our house. My sister still had difficult days. She still felt tired. She still felt scared sometimes. But now, she was not alone anymore. We walked with her. We listened to her. We stayed close. I noticed small changes. She smiled more often. She talked again. She looked lighter, even on hard days. One evening, we sat together quietly. My sister leaned her head on my shoulder, just like she used to when we were younger. "I'm sorry I pushed you away," she said softly. I held her hand. "I'm sorry I didn't understand sooner," I replied. In that moment, I realized something very important. We often judge people when they become quiet. We think silence means distance. We think secrets mean lies. But that is not always true. Sometimes, people stay silent because they are afraid. Sometimes, they hide pain because they don't want to hurt others. Sometimes, they carry everything alone because they love too deeply. My sister did not hide her secret because she didn't trust us. She hid it because she cared. That lesson stayed with me. So now, when someone becomes quiet, I listen more carefully. When someone pulls away, I try to understand. Because I learned the truth the hard way. Sometimes people hide pain, not because they don't trust you, but because they love you. Have you ever misunderstood someone who was suffering silently? What did you learn later?